My name is Colin McMahon, Operations Manager for Mobile Signal Solutions, the UK's leading company in installing both commercial and domestic signal boosters. We're here today to talk you through the process and walk you through the process of installing a domestic signal booster. The first process here today is to identify workable signal that we as a company are satisfied that we can bring a workable signal into the property for the end user. Whether it's a 2G signal or a 4G signal, we will try and identify a cell and install an antenna, a donor antenna, where we can bring that signal into the property. The first step of the process is identifying a location on the property for the external antenna. It's this antenna that's going to pick up the signal from the serve and cell tower, and identifying a location where you have a line of sight to the serve and cell tower is key. The kit, the out-of-the-box solution, comes with a J-pipe which can be used to install on a gable end of a property. So if you're using the J-pipe can be mounted onto the apex of a house. If you're installing onto an existing infrastructure such as a TV aerial or a satellite dish, you can just use a U-bolt to clip onto the existing infrastructure. Once you've installed the donor antenna externally on the property, also in the box is 15 meters of coax cable. So you need to identify a route or find a location for the amplifier and connect the amplifier to the donor antenna with the cable supplied with the unit. Once you have the amplifier installed in a central location or in an area of the property that you need the signal the most, this amplifier also acts as an internal antenna. So it's a two-in-one solution in the box. It amplifies the signal and it also sends the signal out through an internal antenna that's installed inside the amplifier. In cases where the external signal is particularly poor, or if coverage is required in a larger property, we can send more carrier-grade cable, a high-gain Yagi antenna for the external signal, and extra access points that can be extended from the amplifier to distribute the signal throughout a larger home or smaller office.